All right, this is Victor here, RestoreMercedes.com. Lenny, this is the passenger side cylinder, roof cylinder. So you can see you got fluid right there, so it is leaking, as well as it's leaking not as much as you can see. It's just starting, but obviously right here we can see fluid. So it's like starting to leak already. So that's to be done, as well as a driver's side. So let me show you the driver's side. Right here, this one leaks worse, and you can see fluid here. So again, we're not doing one, we're doing both. It's just the best way to approach this. So here it is. Just wanted to show you, so you know that we're doing the right thing by doing both, not just one. It doesn't make sense to rebuild just one. You gotta rebuild both at once. You don't want to do that just twice. All right, so this is a quick one. Just wanted to show you the internals because you couldn't be here to see it, but now you know what's going on. The distribution block appears to be fine, which is this piece right here. I never really see them leak, although I heard of them leaking, but I never seen it myself. Alright, so I'll continue going. I'll try to dry up as much as I can inside there, and we'll take it from there. Alright, this is all for now.